Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I'm Brian.
I'm Aiden.
And this episode's going to be a little bit different. Actually, we're going to show you guys how we kind of run Here's Hoping Garage during a big, huge snowstorm that we're supposed to get. They're calling for like 24 to 36 inches for where I live. So what we're going to do is kind of go through how we prepare to be ready and have fun in the snow, and sit back, relax, and we'll show you how we get things done. Guys, as you can tell, the snow has just started to fall. It's been, I don't know, snowing for about 15 minutes. As you can tell, driveway's pretty bare. It's pretty cold. It's about 22 degrees outside.
Pretty cold.
Yeah, it is pretty cold. So, we're going to get started here. First thing that we got to remove our snow is our Honda Foreman S. Awesome four-wheeler, low mileage, great plow. Just an awesome machine. In the back there, you can see we have our snow blower, and just like Here's Hoping Garage, we have mini bike, dirt bike, another small dirt bike, and a four-wheeler. When we don't mess around, and back there is our GX270 project. Episode 1 is out already. Stay tuned for episode 2. We are currently working on it, but waiting on parts. So, that's what we got going there. Four-wheeler. And we'll show you what's next to have the proper things during a snowstorm. Other than a nice truck with good tires on it. Stick around. Okay guys, here's Aiden. He's going to tell us what we have next.
So one thing you need during a big snowstorm is a generator. Because if the power goes out, this is basically an essential, so you can power your house and get heat and stuff, so you're not like cold during like when you're sleeping and like just sitting around hanging out around the couch.
Yes, Aiden is correct. I don't know if you guys can see through the camera, but we pretty much live in the woods. So if a squirrel farts on the power line, we lose power. So let's just go through our generator here. It's a Predator 8750. Has a 420cc Predator on it. I love this generator. I bought it with the coupon. I've used the hell out of it. It has run for hours and hours and hours and hours with no problems. Starts up every time. If you want a generator, get a Predator. I know people like to bash Predator, but you know what? Love it. Best thing. Okay guys, living in the woods, we're going to show you the next best thing you need to have.
Want me to talk?
Okay guys, before you see the next most essential thing is, Aiden and Austin, go ahead and tell them what we're going to do with the table.
So we're basically going to do a time lapse on the table to see how high the snow gets. It's supposed to snow like 3 to 4 inches an hour, maybe. Right. So we're going to do a time lapse on the GoPro, and hopefully we can see how the snow forms up.
That's work calling, guys. Stick around. Okay, Austin, take it away.
Alright, next thing you need, in case emergency, you need to get some wood or anything. Chainsaw.
Tell us what we got.
We got a Steel MS250. I believe it's 50cc 2-stroke.
Yes, it is. And Austin is correct. One of the best chainsaws I've ever owned. I swear to God, you can just let this thing sit for years, put fuel in it, and it'll start up the freaking first pull. Love it. Gotta get one if you're gonna live out in the woods. And let's find out next what we can show you guys.
Alright guys, so if you're willing to play with your machines for a while and you have a generator which will eat up gas, you obviously need gas so you can stay running and keep the power moving.
That's right. Always have plenty of gas and kerosene. We got kerosene heaters here just in case we lose power. And that's it for now. Let's see what else we can find. Okay guys, next thing we're going to work on after showing you all the stuff that we have essential for Here's Hoping Garage to keep us alive and safe during a big snow event. We're going to work on our BT200X. You guys seen this in a lot of other videos. It's been sitting for almost like 6 months. We haven't barely used it. So what we're going to do is just go through it real quick. Aiden wants to ride it during the snow event, and we're going to see how it's going to work out. We're going to catch some video of him riding this thing and see if he's going to wipe out or not. But anyhow, we're not going to show you what we're going to do. We're just basically going to get it ready and get it running and make sure it's good to go. So we go start playing outside. We'll have something to play on, and Austin's probably going to play on his too. Some of our past videos, we worked on this. We did the hydro dipping, we did the juggernaut, we did a bunch of stuff to this one also, and our blue bike. You guys seen that one also. Not sure what we're going to do with that one yet. Might be a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Not sure, but that's what we're going to plan on doing. So let's get working on this, and we'll see you guys here in a little bit. Okay guys, we're outside. The snow has definitely picked up. There's Ashton, there's Aiden. We're out playing right now a little bit. As you can see, I don't know if you can see in the light, but it is coming down like crazy. I think we're going to start hitting that 1 to 2 or 3 inch per hour mark. And I'll try to get some time lapse on that with my other camera. But right now, I think what we're going to do is maybe get some toys out for a little bit, run around for a couple minutes or more. Then we'll probably pack it in.
Call it a night.
And call it a night. But,
and we'll pick up tomorrow.
We can pick up tomorrow and we'll show you the damage. But
We'll wake you guys up if we get loose power at night.
Well, what I'll do is I'll try to document throughout the night on how this storm is projecting and how it's doing. But for right now, they're itching to get some toys out, so we'll get some toys out for a little bit, and we'll just see how that's going.
So, hope you enjoy.
We'll let Austin get the four-wheeler out so we can get the rest out.
And for mine, which my battery is not like working, so every time when I start it, we gotta use a...
Okay guys, the storm has definitely picked up, as you can tell by the light. So has the toys out. Ashton's four-wheeler. We got Aiden way over there where he shouldn't be on the BT200X. So far, so good. There's Austin with his custom CT200 UEX LED light, juggernaut, custom exhaust, sprocket, and hydro jets. This hasn't been running in a while, so it might take a little bit. Plus, it's like 17 degrees outside. So once he gets his running, we'll hand back to him. So far, everyone's having a good time. See you in a little bit. Okay, we got Austin's bike ready. Need a little bit of gas. We didn't realize it was out of gas. Plus, he has his LED light on. Looks really sick when it's dark out.
First time we've used it in the dark.
Yeah, we never really use these in the snow. This is the first time we're using them in the snow. So far, so good.
Ready?
Yep, go for it. Got Aiden on the BT200X. The snow is coming down like crazy. We're only going to be out just for a little bit yet. Got my nice camera out here. I don't want it to get all wet. The LED light looks awesome on that UEX. It's super bright. There's no white blues that keeps doing that. Come on, Ashton, let's go. Got Ashton on his four-wheeler. Mr. Donut King. take a break here for a little bit, just to show you how much snow we got so far. It's starting to come down pretty quick now. It's not a lot right now. We got about 2.5, 3 inches. What's coming down about 2-3 inches an hour now. I'll try to get some time lapse of the snow coming down. But so far so good. This is how we do it. Here's Open Garage. This may not be the end, but I'm not sure yet. I'm going in to get out of the snow for right now. Let them play. Okay guys, we're giving the plow a try tonight. We're kind of done playing for right now. It's coming down like crazy. This is the first time we tried this plow, 4-wheeler setup. It's not doing too bad. It's going to be a little bit of a learning curve. I mean, we're getting snow, but we're not getting a lot right now. It's not working out too bad. It is snowing. My earlier video, you see me go over to my truck and kind of like move some snow. I mean, it's getting there. They're calling for almost 2 feet. Got a good 3 or 4 inches now, and it keeps coming down pretty hard. It's supposed to be like that overnight. So we'll keep filming. Keep going, see how it goes. Alright guys. Alright, go ahead, Austin.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
Alright guys, so now that we are done playing, got some plowing done, kind of dried up, changed some clothes. If you haven't watched our latest Taco Tuesday videos, we just put brand new tires on this Tacoma. We're gonna go test them out today.
Sounds good. Aiden?
That sounds good.
Alright, let's head out. Okay guys, we're going to head out with the new Tacoma. We're going to traction control off, and we're going to see how far we can get in 2-wheel drive. Austin, ready?
Let's do this.
I'm ready.
Let's head out.
Alright guys, it's the next day. I got my coffee. It's cold out and we got a lot of snow. Ashton's here with me.
Got the tape measure. We're gonna go see the table and see how much snow is on since last night. 3 inches an hour, that's a lot of snow. Oh my god.
Oh,
Can't even open the door.
No, you can't really.
That's what happens when you're in the mountain, guys.
Holy cow.
Yeah, listen, snow. That is too much snow. God,
It was like a big marshmallow.
no, but it looks like a donut though. It has a big hole
Yeah. Alright, I would stick it right there.
in the middle.
Not in the middle, but close to the edge right there. Right here. Put it right there. Nope, nope. Straight down. Nope. Hold on. Let me put my coffee down here. Do it right here. Straight down. There you go. Straight down. Straight down.
That's it.
Alright, so they said we're going to get about 3 feet. We got about, if you can see the camera,
Almost 2.
we got 14 inches. Alright,
It's a lot of snow, guys.
still a lot of snow.
It's hard to even walk.
Yeah, they predicted 3 feet. We got 14 inches. The weathermen are awesome. Anyhow, we still got to get cleaned up and get dug out of here. So that's where we're going to start next. We'll get the four-wheeler out, get the snowblower out. Got to dig out for the dogs so they can go to the bathroom. So we're going to keep moving forward and keep cleaning up. Okay guys, we're down in the garage. We're going to get ready to open up the garage doors. See what kind of mess we got. Get the four-wheeler out. Yeah, we got some snow. Holy cow.
No, they must have just plowed that. Is that?
Oh yeah, they just plowed our road.
Because when we woke up, that was not there before. Oh, he did it.
No, he's just, that's our neighbor. He's just plowing his driveway. He's a tractor. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, he's doing his driveway.
Okay. Then he did ours.
So, we're going to start our driveway.
Yep.
We're going to try to, anyhow. Let's put it on time lapse and get the old Honda started and see if we can start clearing some of this snow out of the way. going?
Good. See.
It's been a couple hours, but we're opened up. Sun's out. Vehicle's cleaned off. Looking pretty good. I think we'll take a break for a little bit. We'll come out later tonight, play around a little bit more, and we'll see you around a little bit later.